Hey cuties. Welcome to another day in Vlogmas. I am very excited. It's a bittersweet video for me because this is the finale of the Deck of Panning Project Pan. This has been such a fun project this year for me. I have really absolutely loved this project. This is my second or third year doing this project. I think this might be just the second year this project has been around. This was a project that was started by Emily from Emily and Max, who was inspired by a booktuber named Books with Maddie. Their channels are going to be linked in the description box below, along with the rules, the game board, my playlist, the community playlist. I have like a 50-50 split of exciting update and not exciting update. But if you did not see my last update, it was like the final update for the Deck of Panning, I actually had a pretty banger month last month. I had like almost a full project reset. So there were only 2 items last month that rolled over to this month, and then we had full new selections for the remaining 4 items. Let's just talk about this. The first prompt we rolled in was for affordable product, and for that I ended up going with the e.l.f. Woah Glow Suntouchable Primer SPF in the shade Sunbeam, and my goal was to finish this, and I am so close. I know it looks like I have a ton in here, but there's really no product. It's just air. I don't even know if there's any product left. Maybe it is technically done. So this is going to be rolled out. As you can see, there's nothing coming out of this sucker. It is pretty thin in there once I squeeze all the air out. So I'm really proud of myself. I actually didn't realize I had nothing in here. I put a bunch of air back in it and I was doing this and I didn't realize the lid was open and it flung a bunch of product into the cap. Oh, see, I might be able to get one more use out of this. So it's the 16th when I'm filming this. So by the time this goes up, I will have finished this up, no problem. I'm excited about this. I used it another 19 times as of today, but I'll probably cut it open and have another 20 uses. But this was in the project for about 30 uses. So that's pretty impressive in my opinion for a little SPF like this. Then the next prompt was for Phone a Friend, and I grabbed a few products and I ran out to the living room and asked Josh what to pick. And he selected this guy here. This is the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Pore Minimizing Primer. This is an okay product. It's not my favorite. My goal was to use this 27 times. That was the number Josh selected for usage on this, and I only ended up using it another 4 times for a total of 14 uses. I really was trying to prioritize this product to try to finish this rather than just meet a usage goal on this one. The next prompt was for a kid or a pet picks your product, and I had Bandit come into my office here and he selected a fragrance for me. Really, he just put his paw on one of them and I was like, yep, that's the one you're going with. So Bandit helped me select this fragrance here. This is the Replica Lazy Sunday Morning, and hopefully you can see I am actually all done with this one. This one smelled like soap. It was quite nice. If you like more of that super clean, sometimes it was a little too powdery clean for me, so I would layer it with other fragrances, and I really liked it that way. I tend to like clean fragrances like this. This was almost a little bit too much though. Then the next product was from a favorite brand, and this is a newer brand to me, a newer brand that's out there in general, and it's Fantasy Cosmetica. They've been around for about a year, maybe 2 years at this point, and they've just I really fallen in love with the brand. The only thing, I'm not the biggest fan of the fragrances, and that's because I feel like they're more woody than I typically like, but I feel like scent is a very, very personal. Anyway, I ended up rolling in this lip oil. I rolled this in to finish, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I actually made a decent amount of progress in there. This is a newer product to my collection. Actually, I was so excited about this that I ended up purchasing a couple more of these products. You'll see a Black Friday haul or maybe like a December haul in a few days. I really like this. I was wearing it earlier today. Maybe I can put some on. It doesn't really look green when you put it on. It's just so nice. Such a lovely product. These are the Warlock lip oils. I believe they're a plumping lip oil, so they do have a bit of a tingle in them. So if you don't like anything that has like a zesty feel on the lips, you would definitely want to skip these. Then something that was seasonal for me, and I ended up rolling in a eyeliner, and it's purple. And if you are watching my eye bank and my No Pan Left Behind series, you would know that I had saved a lot of purples and blues for last. And so this time of year apparently is purple and blue season for me. I figured a purple eyeliner was going to be perfect to roll in, and I rolled in this guy here, and I am so happy to say that I am calling this done in this project. I used a ton of this. I ended up using this 9 times in the course of the project, and that is the usage that we made on it. So we made a ton of progress in this product over the course of the month. I use this as an eye base and only an eye base. I use it all over the lid, and I would pat it out. I used it one time as a blush because I had a really dramatic purple eye look on, and I don't have like quite the right tone of blush or like cream blush that I wanted to wear with this. So I mixed this with the lipstick in the shade Lotus, which is this pink. I mixed those two together and then created a cream blush when I was wearing it as a cream base on the eyelids, and I really liked it. I feel like I was wearing it in a video, or maybe the video is coming up soon. I think it's my plan to pan for 2024, which is coming later in the week. Then lastly, we had a product for Splurge, and I ended up rolling in this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. This is the diffused edit version that has a finishing powder, a blush, and the bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. The blush is in Euphoric Fusion, and I ended up just wanting to use this 20 times in the course of the month, and I'm so happy. Today was the day that I hit 20 uses on it. So that's 4 products out of 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 products out of 6. So we are over halfway, or over half of the products that were in this project this month I met the goal on. I'm really excited about that. I wasn't expecting to have a good rollout for this month, but I'm really happy that I did. And I gotta tell you, I am so excited about this project. I'm always excited about this project, so I'm definitely gonna be doing Deck of Panning next year. I say it all the time in a bunch of my videos, but I love a prompt-based project over here. I just love the idea of getting like a topic and then having to figure out what product is going to fit into it, and like what I'm actually going to enjoy reaching for, and what things I actually want to finish, that kind of thing. So I really love this project. I think it's so much fun. I really just have so much fun doing this. So let me know in the comments below if you are planning on doing Deck of Panning next year. I would absolutely love to follow along on your progress. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to another day in Vlogmas, and I'm so excited to see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!